Hello guys, hello good people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a soap at home. That is a turmeric soap or a herbal soap. I'm going to be showing you the herbs you can easily get and the ones you can add on to your soap and make a good soap for your own use. So this soap, you can use it in many ways. For those people with dark armpits, you can use this soap, the turmeric soap. So this is a soap I've made, but this one is wet because I had used it and I made it rough because I needed a rough one that can act like a scrub. But mostly we make it when smooth. So guys, this soap, like I've said, you can use it for your armpits. If they are dark, you can use it if you have a sensitive skin. You can also use it if you have, for those people with dark inner thighs, you can use this soap. If you use it daily, guys, it is going to give you amazing results because of the turmeric and the other herbs, guys. So come along, guys, I show you how you can easily use. You can use the pieces of soaps that remain, and then maybe you can add another, but you don't need to go and buy other chemicals to make your own soap. You can just use those pieces, and also you can use maybe a bar of soap, guys. So come along, guys, I'm going to show you how you can make it, guys. But before that, I would like to request you guys to kindly subscribe, comment and share. Don't forget to like this video, guys. Don't forget to comment, guys. Here are my pieces of soap that had remained from the previous soaps that I had used. So I'm going to be using these pieces, then I'll add another bar of soap. So what you do, you have to reduce them into tiny pieces. So you have to cut them until they are small tiny pieces. So in my case, I was making soap for about 3 people, so I had to keep on adding a bar after a bar. That's why I'm cutting a lot of pieces. But for you, if you are making just for your own good, maybe even you can just make one piece. after you are done cutting all the pieces, you have to melt them. There are two ways that you can melt them. You can either use a microwave to melt them, or you can use a double boiler method. I know you guys know what is a double boiler method, whereby you use a bigger pot, then you put your container inside, and the pot should have boiling water, guys. So in my case, I decided to use microwave at first, but later I'm going to use the double boiler method. So it took about 4 minutes in the microwave to be in this form, but if it was directly using double boiler from the scratch, it could have taken about 10 to 15 minutes to melt this way. So at this point, I'm going to continue with the double boiler method, because guys, to add any ingredient, be it oil, be it herbs, guys, you have to make sure the soap is continuing to heat, otherwise it will solidify again. So I have to use the double boiler method as I continue to add other things. So I'm going to start by adding the oils, because oils help the soap melt more and melt faster. So I'm going to be adding my coconut oil, and then after I add my coconut oil, I'm going also to add my castor oil. Those are the two oils that I use in my soap, and then I'll show you what next, guys. So at this point, I'll keep on mixing the soap and the oils, because the more you melt the soap, the better you'll be able to incorporate the herbs. So guys, I'll continue mixing for quite some time. It's time to add the herbs, and like I said, I wanted my soap rough, so I'm going to add quite amount of the herbs. I'm starting by adding the neem powder, and then after the neem powder, I am going to add moringa powder. Then after moringa powder, I'm going to add turmeric powder. So after that, I'll just continue mixing. I have to make sure it is well blended before I can continue with the next step. dark brown color, it's due to turmeric. So by now my soap is well blended, and the remaining part is just to add some of the essential oils. So the essential oils I'm going to use today, I'm going to use the tea tree oil and the peppermint oil, because I don't have the lavender oil. I'm just going to use the two, which works so well. And then I'm going to mix a little bit, and then I continue with the next thing. So my soap is ready. Now the other part is I have to use the soap mold. Then I'll freeze them for about 18 to 24 hours so that I can form my soap. So this is the next day. The soap came out so well. I'm loving it. It is so rough as I wanted, and I know it is not going to foam a lot because I never wanted it to foam a lot, and that's why I added a lot of oil. The reason as to why I never wanted it to foam a lot is because I wanted to use it for masking. Like I said, I never wanted it to foam a lot. I'm loving it. It doesn't have a lot of foam because I want to apply it on, if I'm using on the face, I want to apply it on the face and leave it for quite some time before I can wash it off. So thanks for watching, guys. That's it for today, guys. So go try making this soap. Go try the process. You can add the herbs that you wish to add on the soap. And also, guys, go try, then come comment how it was, how the process was when you are making the soap. But if you find it difficult, guys, I can also make the soap for you guys.